Hi, doctor. How are you?
Hold on. Try again. Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Finally. Okay, great. Excellent. So good. Good to have you here and welcome to this exciting senior project. Woohoo! Great. So, yes. So, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to get an A in the project?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
How do you know how to get an A in the project?
Work hard.
No. No.
Have
Somebody
a
else?
good idea.
Work smart. Okay. Not
Work
hard, smart.
smart. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Smart. Okay. Do you know how they give you an A or a B in the project? Like what reasons?
By criteria like
Yeah, the criteria.
citation
You know it?
and other things.
And
Number of
like,
citations. Yep. You can type it. You can type
How
it
good is the
on the chat.
idea? How is it
Yeah.
helping?
No, the idea how
How
good
is
it
it
is. No.
represented?
No. 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 That's not
if it's beneficial,
right here. So the number one reason you don't get an A. Can you see what I type?
yeah.
Yeah.
Not enough.
Really?
Got it?
Oh wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
I cannot hear you. I hear you very lowly. So what I'm
Um.
saying is that if you want an A, you need to do a good research of what exists, for good formatting, and type a very good report without
Mhm.
mistakes, misspellings.
Okay. And also no plagiarism.
Are you aware that in this first semester you don't have to do anything, only write a report? Do you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's better to like start something
Okay,
in
I
the
hear you
project.
very lowly. Who's speaking, Asma? I can hardly hear
I'm
you.
saying that yeah,
Does
I'm
anybody
saying that
else can
it's
hear
better
Asma?
to
I
have
cannot hear
Yeah,
you.
we can hear you. We can hear Asma.
can,
Asma, I cannot hear you.
can you hear me now?
I can hear Asma well.
Come again?
I can hear Asma and good.
Okay, good. So I
Yeah.
think there's a
I think it's your headphones, doctor.
yeah, it's me. They're all I have to change them. Good. Awesome. So that's fantastic. Is that clear? So in this semester you only need your only job is to write a big report.
Mm-hmm.
Good format, good
Yeah.
background research, and so on. And then do nice Gantt charts, agile. Anybody of you took agile class with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. So you will say that you don't use waterfall, that you use agile methodology, and then you document. If you use
Mm-hmm.
Jira or all the stuff, that will make a lot of content like these charts. You can put burn down charts. You can put all that stuff that you learn in the class in the report. It will make it look very professional. Sounds good?
Good.
Yeah.
Come again?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Excellent. So that's the way to get an A. Wait, I'm going to change my phones. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Testing, testing.
Yes.
Is it better or worse?
We can hear you well, but the problem is if you can hear us.
Yeah, it's fine.
Now,
We
yes.
will.
Now, yes, I changed. This is
Can you
going to the trash.
can you hear us?
Can you hear us?
Excellent. Yes. Yeah, now, yes. I can hear you much better. Okay, good. So
Okay,
that's a
that's
way to
good.
get an A. Okay. Don't forget that.
Okay.
And
It's lagging.
students have done
I like.
and see the
It's
mistakes they have.
lagging.
slide. So you can see the mistakes they do and all that stuff. So that's super interesting. And then you will know what kind of report you have to do, right? I guarantee that if you make 60 references in the report and you do your research well, it's going to be awesome. It's not about if it's a boring topic or not. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I think
Again?
it's easy. Like it's easy. If it's only about report, then
Okay.
we can do good.
Yeah.
You don't have to code, you don't have to do anything. What I would do if I was you is I create a Google Doc, a shared Google Doc,
Yeah.
and then I start working. And I can see it while you work, and I can give you feedback.
Yeah, good idea.
What bad students do is they don't show me anything for 5 months, and then the last week they show me something, and they don't have time to improve.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I also agree with having a Google Drive and working together. Like it's
Whatever you
much
want.
better than.
But I'm not gonna be your mama telling you, hey, how's the report going? Yeah.
Yeah, of course, but so
You know
we can watch each other, like
Yeah, it
progress
sounds
and
So you
maybe give
you
some
learn in my
feedback.
class, like some people are good. Some people are good at something. Some people are good at something. So you can,
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be a fair distribution, but some people love to do one task. Some people like to do references. Some people like to correct mistakes. Some people like to write. Some people hate to correct. So find out within yourself, what are you good at? Make a good team.
Yeah. Okay.
And then you will be an excellent. And the next phase is, what do you want to do as a project? Do you have some idea? So I have a few for you. And what we can do this week or the following weeks is you explore these ideas. And then you come back and say, look, I think we want to do this. Sounds good?
Doctor,
Doctor, we don't
enough
have
time.
idea.
You don't have?
Yeah.
Okay. So I will send you some ideas and then you explore them a bit. And you can put this in the report as well, in the appendix, like how with the and it adds pages.
I can't
Right?
hear you well,
You can do a
Doctor.
middle board and you
Yeah,
can brainstorm
Doctor,
there.
we can't hear you well. It's very low from your side.
Okay, wait a second.
It's lagging.
Can you go again?
Yeah, sure. Let me check that out. Give me a second. Yeah, we will. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Hold on. Well, I'm not trying to look again. This question arises. Give me 1 minute. I'll be back.
Okay.
قال انه بيطرش لنا ايديز واحنا ندور عنهم، صح؟
هي بس
يعني
تحسون
نحن نشوف شو المواضيع.
ها
شو قلتي؟
شو قلت يا أروى؟
لا شو كتبين آخرتها أسماء؟
قاعدة أقول هو أعطانا ايديز وأنا نسوي يعني نشوف عنهن، مثل نشوف
بس نسوي
على
research
الموضوع
عنه.
وكذي عشان نختار.
عشان
أوكي.
نختار. أيوة.
انزين لازم يعطينا
لأن
فكرة معينة حسب انه خلاص يعني نحدد انه خلاص حددنا الفكرة، عرفتي؟
ما
ترى
فهمت
هو
شو؟
بيعطي وايد
ترى هو-
أفكار.
لا
هو
يعني
قال هي عنده أكثر من فكرة وإحنا بنطالع شو اللي يناسبنا أكثر وبنحدد هذا اللي بنسويه هالأسبوع. أحسن
أيوة.
أحس عشان نخلص خط
لما تبنين
نثبت ونبدأ
نفكر
نشتغل في الريبورت.
يعني بس من
وأحس الريبورت بيكون سهل.
Hello,
دامنا
I'm back.
بس ريفرنس. Yeah, welcome back.
Welcome back.
Thanks for waiting. Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
Is it
Yeah, much
better
better.
now? Much better. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
ما شفت
So yeah, so that's the thing. If you want to get an A, just start working every week on the report, add things. As I told you, all the things you do, put them in the report. So if you do a brainstorming on Miro, put it in the report, screenshots, you know, charts, Jira, if you can use Jira. Did any of you use Jira in my class?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's gonna impress them so much, right? So you explain working methodology. Instead of waterfall, we're gonna use agile. This is allowed. I checked.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can also give them the waterfall chart they expect because they're old people, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this is the waterfall chart, but we will follow but in addition or but we will follow a agile methodology. And this is our burn down chart. This is our weekly whatever meetings, results, everything. You can add it and it looks so professional as documentation. Sounds good?
Yeah. Oh yeah, sounds good.
Wonderful. So that's check box for that. Wonderful. The next one is what else? Yeah. So what to do, right? So if you can, the best thing to do is a collaboration with some industry.
English what?
That collaboration.
Yeah, with English
Yeah,
what?
for the spelling and report writing.
Oh yeah.
The project, if you can do a collaboration with an industry, with a company, yeah,
Okay.
that is
A
the best.
company?
Yes, a company, a private company.
Yes, okay.
What do you mean, doctor? Do you mean that you want them to proofread our report?
No, you misunderstood me. Can somebody explain to her what I'm saying?
يعني نسوي شراكة
Collaboration.
ويا شركة.
اوكي بس ليش؟
يعتمد على الفكرة. It depends on the idea.
Yeah. So if you can collaborate with a company, that is fantastic. And so that means that, for example, I'm doing a collaboration with the Lulu supermarket. Do you know this company?
Yeah.
Yes.
So Lulu has a lot of problems that they need to solve. They need to make an online app for buying online for the supermarket. They don't have it.
Okay.
That would be a good project. They want to do a mobile wallet. So do you know Voluntary Exchange?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
I got it.
So they need somebody to design an app that replaces the Voluntary Exchange.
So,
That's
doctor, you want us to collaborate with a company that has an issue, and you want us to develop something for them?
I don't want you to do anything. I'm saying that it's a very good idea to collaborate with a company because it's a real problem and it will be useful to someone, and they might pay you money.
Okay.
And they may give you a job afterwards.
Okay.
Instead of working on some theoretical project that doesn't help anybody. So you will work the same, but at least it's useful and you might get some money and might get the job afterwards. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So I think it's great to do a real project. They might even hire you. They might even pay you money. So it's the same work, at least you get money and it's real. And you will learn how to interact with a company, like with a real customer. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So I have a few ideas. So I'm working a lot with Lulu Group. So I have a lot of ideas. They need a lot of help. We have 4 students working for them from my class. Any of you working for them, by the way?
No.
Okay, so 4 of my students from the previous semester, Introduction to Engineering Design. Who of you took this lecture from me?
Not me.
Last semester, me.
Okay, so 4 of my students are going to work with Lulu Group, and they're going to be paid for a one project of 3 weeks, 3,000 dirhams.
3 weeks? That's it?
So, moving on. Would you like to do a project with Lulu Group?
We can think about it, yeah. Yeah, if we can,
okay.
sure.
Okay, good. So one of the things they want to do is to create a wallet that people can use as a wallet, that you can send money to your country, that you can pay in the shop. Yeah,
Like
it's like
Apple
it's
Pay?
called like Apple Pay, exactly, but Google Pay.
Okay.
But so the project will be about designing the app, basically doing usability research, doing a prototype with Figma, maybe not coding it, but thinking about the technologies to use, like the technology stack. Should they use AWS or should they use Microsoft Cloud? What kind of servers, technology, Node.js, Java, which one, right? So defining all that is super interesting, super complicated. And then making a prototype and maybe implementing some part of it, not all of it, because it's impossible. It's just 5 students. This is a 50 people project for 1 year at least, professionals, right? So it's impossible to complete this. But to do the prototypes, to do the usability study, you know, like this app will be used by laborers, by Emiratis, by who, you know, user personas, user journey map, the business side of it, and so on. So that would be a very interesting project. And I think even you might get paid. So that could be cool. So that's one project that you could do. The other is the shopping app for Lulu supermarkets that they don't have yet. Yeah. So the same thing, like how usability study, the design, prototype, Lean UX, all that stuff to do there. And first the market research, of course, which is like the first semester and so on. So that's what I would do. Very, very cool. And then I have other projects related to AI and emotional computing. This could be a collaboration with a company from Sharjah, a startup. And then I have a friend at a company called Beast Group. They do virtual reality, so you could do something with them as well, and so on. And then I have a couple of things with Bitcoin and crypto, if you're interested in that topic, and so on. Yeah, that's good. So what about this week? You do some brainstorming, you open a Miro board and you do some brainstorming, and next week, and I will also contribute things. And next week we take a look and then we start deciding what we would like to do. Yeah?
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right. So that settles it. Super exciting. And I'll see you then kind of next week, and drop in Miro the link, drop in Slack the link to Miro. And then when you have some content there, we have a look at it.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Thank you, Doctor.
Questions?
Doctor, you will send us the list of ideas?
You open the Miro board and then we will put the ideas there. My ideas and your ideas.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah.
And then I put some idea there, and then there will be a website, and then you can check the website and add some notes to it and say, I saw this in this website. Do you think they would like to do this? You know what I mean? So we built on each other. Yeah. Sound good?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you can also start setting up the Jira for the project, Trello boards, Miro, and everything else that we need. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Awesome. Okay, so I'll see you soon next week.
Yeah, but don't forget to send the list.
So make the Miro board, and I will put the list there in the Miro board.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
So you send the Miro board first, and then I will add my content there. The list.
Yeah, okay.
Does that make sense to you?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
You too,
Thank you.
Doctor. Thank you.
Ciao. Bye. Bye.